welcome back to my Taglish channel. Hi guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are not going anywhere. Yes, because today is our 4th anniversary. So Jax and I will celebrate our 4th anniversary in the Philippines. So malakita nyo dito sa video ito kung paano namin sinurprise ang isa't isa. Grabe ang mga surprise namin every anniversary. Talagang pabonggahan talaga guys. So nape-pressure ang lola mo. And kasi hindi ako masyadong nagbibigay ng mga expensive gifts pag kay Jax kasi meron na, mabibili niya kasi sinabi niya sa akin before, you don't need to buy me anything because I can buy it by myself. So kasi nga siya yung may pera kaysa sa akin. Syempre hindi naman tayo mayaman guys. So sakto-saktuhan lang tayo and tayo sa budget, kaya hindi talaga ever since hindi naman ako bumibili ng mga expensive gifts kay Jax. Pero guys, A for effort naman ang ginagawa ko naman para kay Jax every anniversary namin. So guys, what are we waiting for? Happy watching! Hi guys! Ayan! Surprise ni Jax! Yan yung cake. Thank you, Jax! Ayan. Ganda. May pababol. Ay, may pabalon. Diba? Oh, this one is melt already na.
That's how it came from the place. It's good to do that.
It's like that? Oh, my gift. Sana all. What is this, Jax?
Magic setup.
Magic setup! Ayan guys, may card ako. Is this card?
Yeah, it's a card.
Card. Tapos ito guys, ayan. Wow, unboxing. Sana all.
It's both happy.
Oh! Hi, watch. Same yours?
Nah, slightly different, slightly smaller and more feminine.
I got a watch.
It's pretty much the same as the inside though.
Same as Jax. Show your watch up. Ayan. Ayan. May watch ko guys. Buksan na natin.
And these only came in just before actually.
Oh yeah, this is a strap.
Yeah, more straps because it looks pretty manly with black, so I thought white and the blue would actually look feminine. Yes, 1 second. I've got some tiny screwdrivers here which I can use to snap it with. Oh, no, we lost the letter. There you go.
Ayan guys. Ayan. Wow, sana all. Black.
Yeah, it's black, but it's slightly, mine is slightly smaller, but there's a
Smaller
little
than
thing.
mine too.
Yeah.
Smaller than yours.
Smaller than mine, but the insides are pretty much the same. So you'll be able to use Google Pay as well. Oh yeah, this is, you have to pop that at the side. I found that as well. There's like a puzzle.
Yan guys.
So yeah,
Oh, it's big. It's fine.
yeah, like I said, there's extra straps here, so it might be smaller. I'm sure it goes into little girlies.
I think it's tiny.
Yes. Otherwise, we'll try. I can probably pop you a hole, or I could have a hole in it in somewhere.
Wow, sana all yamanin.
Yes.
Oh, I can use this later.
Yeah. All you have to do is just pair it to your phone, and they're quite software and stuff. But yeah, might just be charged. I think. Good thing you probably have the same charger as me, so you can charge it off mine like you do my phone.
Watch guys. It's all.
It's probably backwards in the camera, but yeah, it's TicWatch E3 and it's got Google Wear on it. So a lot of the apps you get on your phone, you do get on watch as well, so you get notifications on your watch. Good thing about this one here is it's got like 2 screens on it, so it doesn't waste the battery. Like my previous one, used to go flat within the day. It used to go flat because it was you can sort of see the time without turning the whole thing on. So yeah, I'm very lucky to watch it. I'm sure Dino like that one too.
Alright, thank you, Jox. We have a charger. This is the charger.
Yeah, it's like a magnetic cable, so obviously that's USB there, and this one here, it's just like it clips to your phone, that's how many charging.
So I got a light blue strap and a white strap, guys, if I don't want the black strap. So I can... Oh, what's this? This small screw.
Oh, yeah, that's a screwdriver came with the bend of it as well.
Okay, so my next gift is unboxing, guys. Unboxing. Why camera? Why camera? Oh, I got the camera again, guys.
Attachments for all accessories. That's extra batteries.
Oh, wow! I got the Sony digital camera SD.
So she should be able to actually record herself with a good lens and actually see the screen as well.
Ganda!
Because right now she has to use a selfie camera.
I love my phone. Ganda. Ganda nung anong phone ko kasi ayan. Wow, unboxing! Sana all. Mamaya unbox ko ulit.
It's a lot of paperwork.
There's a lot of items here. Camera. I got the white.
Yeah, matches your glasses.
I got the white camera, guys, because I got white glasses. Oh, that's
So
my glasses.
yeah, there's no battery in it at the moment, but the key selling point is
Oh, I see my face.
so she can record and watch at the same time. And it's got like a good microphone as well. You can put extra attachments on the top here, so like your microphones. As well. Oh yeah, and I think this camera has one of the best autofocuses on the market. A lot better than the Canon one.
Oh, Sony one is a good brand too.
Yeah, it's got probably the compared to I think it's the GX7. I think is the Canon equivalent. And this one here has like really good autofocus. So when you put your hand up to the camera, it like you can tell straight away what's close and what's far away.
Do I need to recharge first before I use it?
Oh, you put it in and then you probably just recharge it off the side port. But this is the extra attachment, so battery charger, 2 batteries, and also an SD card as well. So 256 gigabytes should last you quite a while.
So this one I can attach it on my lens.
Yeah, but you lens it there, so it's got the same thread here. That's like a standard tripod thread, so you'll be able to put it on the tripod you showed us last night.
Correct.
So yeah, it pretty much fits anything that kind of screw on it, it'll fit that. It's all universal. So I'm not too sure about opening it, but yeah, there's the SD card and there's the battery and charger. Now there's actually one more gift, but it's currently in transit from China, and it's been like the same status for like the last 4 days, thanks to Shopee. So there's still one more to come. But yes, this should definitely go well, and hopefully it will be a slight improvement in some of the video quality. Yes, that's it. The best product vlogging camera. Yeah, so it looks like you should be able to charge it off the camera, plug the USB port. Otherwise, you can always plug this one in and charge it from just plugging it in. Like that, I think, yeah. Just go like that, and then you plug the USB port there, and that's it.
Oh, nice. Wow.
And I think these here, not 100% sure. Looks like it holds an SD card, but it must hold the battery as well. Yeah, I'll try that later. But yeah, because it looks like it's got little slots in the back to hold an SD card, but it's too big to hold the charger, but you can plug the batteries in. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
You'll be able
it,
to
guys.
try all that out, and maybe your intros, mate. Once you've got it set up, you'll be able to record the intro for this video on the camera.
And then I can direct in my USB and then
I think it's got Wi-Fi in it built in as well, so there might be a way to connect it straight to the computer without actually having to connect any cables.
Okay.
Yeah, the newer cameras, they've got usually GPS built in, so you know where you've taken the photo later on, and yeah, it's got Wi-Fi and everything else on the side. Yeah, so you can plug microphones and stuff into it as well, and also there's like a hot shoe on top here, so you can plug in, like you can mount the tripod. You have the two things on it, so you can put a light or a camera of your Bongga microphone there. Plus, I think because of the dead cat there, so you know, this is actually the microphone on top, so you might be able to talk without having to use the microphone on the side of that one.
Okay.
So yes.
Thank you, Jock.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. Yes. Anong gift ko? I got the one gift, two gifts, guys. You want to see now my gift?
After I have a drink and brush my forehead, it's very hot in here. Because of all these balloons, I can't run a fan right now. And our love has turned into LVE. He's slowly losing letters off the wall.
Okay guys, so I got two gifts for Jax. So hindi siya mamahalin guys. So yung una, yung card ko. Yun pala yung may card ako sa anniversary or even birthday. Basta may card ako guys na nakakatawa pag binabasa niya. So the second one, I booked a dinner later sa Marriott dito sa Pampanga. So plan ko sana one day or one night magstay kami sa Marriott. Pero naisip ko guys ay kasi dito sa Philippines kapag mag-book ka ng hotel, you need to do a RT-PCR test na very hassle sa amin palagi kapag kumukuha kami ng ganon. So I decide na we are going to have a dinner na lang doon sa Marriott, doon sa one of the Resto Buffet in Marriott. Later na I will put here the clips in this video, and ayun na nga guys, malalaman natin mamaya.
Hello, InDaynaMo.
Hello guys!
All done.
Finished
Thank
na?
you.
Tagdadalawa po.
Wala na tempura ulit na.
Thank you po.
Tempura.
Happy
happy anniversary. Malagang Pasko.
Who's Jax?
Oh,
Are you full, Jax?
I'm very full. I don't think I can eat anymore.
Why not, Jax?
I think the meat finished me off. All the beef and the pork guys. Yeah, I can barely eat any more dessert.
Yeah, DJ Khaled is at your back.
Another one. Dito kami sa Marriott. How's your food, Jax? Are you full? Yes, very full. My stomach hurts.
Yes. Sakit ng tiyan ko, guys. Na-empatyo yata kami kanina. Ayan. Or fine?
Yeah. You have to carry me inside.
Yeah, walaan naman. So, that's it, guys. That's how we celebrate our 4th year anniversary. Jax and I's anniversary, guys. So, yung gift ko kay Jax, I booked a resto bar dinner buffet for Jax in Marriott Clark Hotel here in Pampanga. And madaming foods doon, yung makikita niyo sa video kanina. And niyok siya ng card kasi hindi ako bumili ng mga things, mga gifts ko sa kanya kasi sabi niya naman is you don't need to buy me something because I can buy it for myself. Yun yung palagi yung sinasabi na wag na ako bumili para sa kanya kasi nga mabibili niya naman at nabibili niya naman yung mga gusto niya bilhin. So, ayun yung mga little things na ginagawa ko kay Jax. Pero, of course, A for effort naman po ako para sa kanya. So, guys, I hope you enjoy watching our 4th year anniversary. And I hope you learned something today. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you very much for watching and thanks for supporting my videos. And mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. You, yes, you are. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thalamus, please like if you did enjoy my video today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify all my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good, be safe, you take care, and ciao.